In this video, we will talk about the benefits of rosemary for hair health. We have also included 2 different recipes and applications made with rosemary for you. Rosemary is a fantastic herb that can promote hair health in several ways. Stimulates hair growth. Rosemary increases blood circulation to the scalp, which can encourage hair growth and prevent hair loss. Strengthens hair. It helps strengthen hair follicles, reducing breakage and promoting healthier, more resilient strands. Dandruff control. Rosemary's antimicrobial properties can help control dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. Natural shine. Using rosemary-infused water or oil can add shine and luster to your hair. Ingredients needed to prepare the recipes. Fresh or dried rosemary leaves. Water. Olive oil or coconut oil. Let's look at the recipes for preparing rosemary water and oil. Usage: rosemary water. After shampooing and conditioning your hair, use the rosemary water as a final rinse. Spray it evenly onto your scalp and hair. Massage your scalp gently for a few minutes to improve circulation. Leave it in without rinsing for added benefits. Use this rosemary water rinse 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Usage: rosemary oil. Apply a small amount of rosemary oil to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots and ends. Gently massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight if you prefer. Shampoo and condition your hair as usual. You can use rosemary oil 1 to 2 times a week for deep conditioning. Incorporating rosemary water and oil into your hair care routine can help you enjoy the many benefits this herb has to offer, promoting healthier, shinier, and stronger hair over time. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.